This is a Concord ceiling fan here in my grandma and grandpa's house in their living room. If you notice, this one has the little diamond gold pull chains and of course the light fixtures up here. I am gonna have to clean this in a little while, so I decided to make a video of it first. And that's that speed that turns the fan on. That's the light. So I'm gonna. Oops, wrong. This fan's only on one controller. The light and the fan come on at the same time. Alright. There's the light. I'm gonna start with low. I'm gonna be careful. You know what? I'm just gonna turn the light off so we can do this. Gotta be careful with this fan. I don't want to break the pull chain. So, well, that feels good. I am a really tall guy, so I'm gonna have to gotta be careful. This is a very nice fan. That's low. There's medium. Oh, it feels good. Alright. That's low. I mean medium. That's medium. And here's high. Here we go. Ooh, that feels good. See? That feels good. It's a really nice fan. Sorry about that, that's just my dad's phone ringing. Just my parents are in here, so just if they're talking, just ignore them. Alright. I'm gonna turn it back to low. And then I'm gonna turn it off. Alright. There's the top. So there's the top of it. Anyway, alright. Once again, I'm just gonna leave the reverse. There's the reverse switch. That pulls air up, that pulls air down. That way pulls it up, that way pulls it down. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until then, stay tuned for the next video coming up next. Until then, that's it.